Let's start by discussing the differences between acoustic and electric guitars. Now I'm holding a Telecaster, traditional style, and it really doesn't matter what type of electric guitar you have. We're going to talk about the specific tones and things related to Telecaster style playing, because for me this is sort of the thing I need to practice. Just like with acoustic guitar, I need to practice flat picking, and that translates to any other style I'm going to play. Same with this. If you're really good at country style Telecaster, then you're just automatically going to be really good at rock and roll and other types of music you play on the electric, because there's a set of techniques that covers all the things you're going to need to know about the feel and the approach of the electric. But briefly, I'll just say that obviously the body size and shape is different, so the placement of your picking hand is going to be slightly different. When I'm playing on my big Dreadnought style acoustic, and we've discussed this as far as different sizes of acoustic guitars, you know, I kind of lean right there on the crook of my elbow. But on this guitar, it puts me way too far away, so I'm going to be resting my picking hand up here. And obviously I'm sitting without a strap. I'm just putting this right here and I'm propping up my leg. So again, this is all just stuff you'll figure out on your own. Oftentimes when I'm playing electric guitar, I prefer to stand. And I'll have a strap on for that. So another thing about the feel of this instrument, I'm playing on a much smaller pick than I do on the acoustic guitar. This is a little sort of jazz style teardrop shaped pick. Specifically, I like the Black Ice 1.1 millimeter. That's just kind of what I've used the last several years, made by D'Addario Planet Waves. Now, I don't like too thin of a pick. If you're really getting specific as far as the styles of certain players, you might check out what kind of pick they used, either a thinner one, you know, but typically, like your classic Telecaster country players would have been playing on like a Fender style, you know, medium or heavy kind of pick, you know, traditional teardrop. I like this tiny, tiny one because I'm going for less of a mass approach of the gravity and the weight of the pick dropping on the strings like I do on acoustic flat picking. I'm going for a much lighter approach, much more precision, and I'm also incorporating the fingers quite a bit. We'll talk about that hybrid picking style as we move through this section of the course. Your strings are much lighter, so that allows for different kinds of grace notes, bends, you know, different kind of slides, a little more access up the neck. Another obvious difference between electric and acoustic guitars is the way the tone is generated and the way the tones are manipulated with the electronics. Without the pickups on, these strings aren't doing much. There's no resonator here. Now, obviously, there are hollow body electrics that will have a little more resonance, but everything is dependent on the pickups, and every style of electric guitar has a different pickup configuration, of course. On the Telecaster, we're going to be focusing on these three positions. The bridge, which is going to give you the twangiest sound, and that's where we do most of our country picking. You got the middle, which combines the two pickups, which has a slightly warmer sound and a little bit of a cool combination sound. And you can, you know, achieve a similar thing between the two pickups, you know, with humbuckers, which are going to be, you know, a little less clear, a little less twangy, a little higher output. Single coil pickups are lower output, and that gives us certain advantage in clarity. And then up here on the neck, that's a nice bass, heavy, warm sound. A lot of jazz players, you associate jazz with archtop style electrics, but a lot of jazz players like to play on a Telecaster out of the neck pickup position. So these are things to consider, but all in all, it's the same instrument. Everything you've learned on flat picking style, everything you've learned on acoustic guitar, whatever styles you're working, translates directly over to this. You're just going to get used to the difference in the feel and the difference in a few of the specific techniques. I'm also opening up the discussion here. If you are dabbling on electric guitar and getting into some of these lessons and you have any specific questions, please do hit me up in either the forums or a video exchange, and we'll get into some of those details together.